I didn't want to come purely from a brand point of view because what an awful lot of people don't realise about Minor is we started as owners.
Hi Kevin,
Morning,
how are
Rex.
you doing?
I'm very well, and yourself?
Okay, I'm doing good as well, thank you.
Good.
Alright, so today we have Mr. Kevin Shortt from Minor Hotels. So today Kevin will share with us a few words about what he thinks about today's conference. Alright? Okay, so my first question is this. How are you feeling about being part of HMC 2026?
Well, it's great to be here again. You know, I have a great affinity for Malaysia after living here for 16 years. Recently I've been moved into Jakarta, but Malaysia and specifically Kuala Lumpur has always felt like home to me after so many years. So it's great to be back, and I've been supporting and being supported by HMC since the beginning. So it's always nice to be invited back to participate on a panel. And today I had the opportunity to be part of a panel with some fantastic experts. I was starting to feel a little left out without a doctor in front of my title, but I always feel great to be part of HMC.
Great. Can you perhaps tell us a little bit about what was your presentation about?
My presentation. So in general, the presentation was more about the mid-scale in Malaysia. So I didn't want to come purely from a brand point of view because what an awful lot of people don't realise about Minor is we started as owners. So we owned hotels, Ritz-Carlton's, Four Seasons, and then later came our first brand, and Anantara, and then we built our brand portfolio through building brands ourselves and also through acquiring brands. What I wanted to get across was not only what Minor are doing, but also the talk was very much about how owners can use brands not only for a sign above the door, but also we have an awful lot more to offer in the mid-scale through revenue generation, clever use of space and operational expertise. So an awful lot of what I wanted to get across was that after our acquisitions of NH Hotel and Oaks a number of years ago, we've moved quite heavily into the mid-scale and upper mid-scale brands. So that panel made a lot of sense for us to take part in, and also the difference between a managed property and a franchise property, and how those differences and what those differences make to owners in the market. So really it was just about awareness that Minor is positioned to move quite heavily into Indonesia and Malaysia.
I see.
And that was really what we wanted to get across today.
Okay, great. So can you tell me what makes your product, which is Minor Hotels, the brand itself, stand out in the hospitality industry?
Okay, interesting question. Probably one of our major differences is Minor owns or leases about 2/3 of its inventory. So we're quite asset heavy at the moment. It's something that we're looking to diversify from more into an asset light. But I think we have a perspective that we've run our own brands, but we've also operated as a purely owner under other brands. So as I said, we have Ritz-Carlton's, we have Four Seasons. So we've been on both sides of the equator. So I think what differentiates us is we come from an owner's perspective, and we don't run our own hotels any different than our operated hotels. So what we like to do, obviously we're cost conscious because we come from an owning point of view, with 2/3 of our assets relying on us making money. We can't rely on fees. It doesn't work that way for Minor. So I think that's our differentiator, that when we speak to owners, we're not coming from a here's our fees point of view. We're coming from a looking at their asset and seeing if it's viable for one of our brands, because at the moment, because we're so asset heavy, most of our revenue comes from our own hotels. But what we like to do, and when we're growing into the asset light environment, what we want to do is bring that forward, and also so that the owners benefit from our experience as owners as well as operators. So that's where we would differentiate, I would say.
Okay, so maybe tell me some points about how are Minor Hotels helping the many different brands and assets under your under this brand to improve the guest experience?
Well, guest experience is at the very heart of hotels,
Okay.
to be honest. And that's something that's come up, and you see it in every conference. The same hotels about modernization. Modernization has to happen, and it's good. And an awful lot of talk about tech. Tech is essential in hotels to be efficient these days, but there's too much reliance on tech. To me, it's something that is there to improve the experience, not replace the experience. So it needs to be propped up by proper guest experience and touch points. So like tech can help the arrival experience, but without traditional hospitality, it's just a piece of tech in a building. So unless we actually prop it up with traditional hotel and traditional hospitality, that Malaysian welcome, then to be honest, so what I would say is what we would try do is blend traditional hospitality with modernization rather than trying to replace it.
Okay. Well, that's all for now. So thank you very much, Kevin,
Thank
for
you so much.
sharing with us the nature of the business nature of the minor hotels and also the business strategy, which is very insightful. Thank you very much.
An absolute pleasure, Rex.
Thank you.
Thank you. So